Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to report and delete someone's Facebook account. So right here, as you can see, we are in someone's random account, literally. So right here, all you have to do is go to the person that you want to report and delete someone's Facebook account off. But you have to tap the three buttons and report the profile. So the first thing that comes into mind when reporting is something that is malicious or maybe a spam. So only Meta will decide if someone's Facebook account should be deleted, and that's not up to you. So your only power is to report and actually make a case regarding someone's Facebook account. So you will have to select something right here that falls into your reasons. If it's unreasonable, then it's unreasonable deleting someone's Facebook account. So you cannot force someone to delete their Facebook account unless it is really serious. So usually they would delete actual profile accounts if they're fake profile right here and pretending it's you or actually, let's see, a friend or a business or someone. So let's just say me right here, and then you have to submit it. So if it's someone else, you just have to do someone else right here, like a friend, let's say, and then search up your friend who they're impersonating, and Meta will decide if it's to be deleted or not. If it's not, then you will be not in luck because that's how it works, and that's how your account is not deleted also suddenly out of nowhere. So there you go, guys. It's just basically how to report and delete someone's Facebook account, basically, and there you go.